I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your PowerPoint and Camtasia together so you control both. First, choose Camtasia Recorder and set Screen Capture plus System Audio. Add webcam only if you want picture-in-picture. Make sure frame rate is 30 and resolution matches your slide deck to avoid scaling problems. Once done, position speaker notes and timing in PowerPoint. Start a rehearsal if you need pacing. Click record when your first slide is ready and speak confidently. Don't pause the recording for small edits. Now run PowerPoint in slide, show mode and begin presenting while Camtasia records. Use your keyboard or clicker to advance slides. This keeps timestamps clean for editing. Make sure Camtasia's cursor effects and keystroke callouts are on if you demonstrate shortcuts. These visual cues clarify actions for viewers. Speak in short segments and leave a beat of silence at transitions so you can cut easily later. Once you finish a section, pause recording between complex demos to simplify post-production. After recording, import the file into Camtasia's editor and trim dead space. Then add narration overlays where clarity is needed and insert annotations for emphasis. Use transitions sparingly and synchronize slide advances with cuts so visuals match audio. Export as MP4 using H.264 at 1080p and about 10 Mbps to balance quality and file size. If audio is noisy or out of sync, check your input device and sample rate. If needed, re-record the voiceover and replace the bad track. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.